icon scientist of India, C.V. Raman.
Sir C.V. Raman was an Indian physicist renowned for his groundbreaking work in the field of light scattering, known as Raman effect, discovered in 1928. This phenomenon demonstrated the change in wavelength of light when it interacts with matter. For this discovery, Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930, becoming the first Asian to win a Nobel Prize in Science. Thank you.
Rabindranath Bose was an Indian physicist best known for his work on quantum mechanics, particularly the development of Bose-Einstein statics and the concept of Bose-Einstein condensate. Collaborating with Albert Einstein, he formulated the word theory of particles now called bosons, which obey these statics. His groundbreaking work laid for the modern physics and the recognition as one of the key figures in 20th century. Thank
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, popularly known as the Missile Man of India, was an eminent scientist and 11th President of India. He played a pivotal role in India's space and missile programs, contributing to the development of ballistic missile program and space launch vehicle. A humble and inspiring figure, Kalam was deeply committed to education and youth empowerment, earning him the title People's President. His voices and speeches continue to motivate millions, making him a national youth icon.
and the founding architect of India's nuclear program, known as the father of Indian nuclear program. He established the Baba Atomic Research Center and played a key role in the development of Indian nuclear presentation. Thank you.
Vikram Sarabhai, often regarded as the father of the Indian space research program, was a visionary scientist and institution builder. He founded the Indian Space Research Organization and played a pivotal role in establishing space research capabilities. He also established in key features like science education programs. Thank you.
Dr. Indira Hinduja is a renowned Indian gynecologist, infertility specialist, and pioneer in assisted reproductive technologies. She is credited with delivering India's first test tube baby in 1986 and first gift baby in 1988. Her groundbreaking work in fertility treatment has brought hopes to countless couples struggling with infertility. Dr. Hinduja has received numerous awards for her contribution to medicines and continues inspire advancement in reproductive health in India and beyond. Thank you.
Dr. Raghunath Anand Mashelkar is a distinguished chemical engineer and scientist, known for his pioneering contributions to science and innovations. A former Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Dr. Mashelkar received numerous accolades including Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. His work continued to inspire scientific and technological progress in India.
Dr. Manohar B. Biki Reddy is a prominent Indian scientist and researcher known for his contribution to the fields of material science and nanotechnology. He has worked extensively on advanced materials and nanotechnology and their application in energy, electronics, and environmental sustainability.
Believed in the power of learning. Our scriptures and our traditions and our history reminds us that Jnanam Parambalam. Our scientists, driven by curiosity and determination, have not only contributed to global advancement, but have also inspired future generations to dream big and aim high. As young minds of today, let us carry forward this legacy. May we continue to explore, innovate, and contribute to making our country and the world a better place through science and technology. Thank you, and let's celebrate the spirit of Indian science and culture.